What's up, guys? Truck and Biker. Sorry for the lighting. It is currently 6:10 in the morning, and I'm going for a ride with some people. It's kind of a last-minute thing for them to invite me, but hey, I'm glad I got invited. Yeah, it's currently 6:15 in the morning, or 6:10 in the morning, and it is 33 degrees outside. It's 1 degree Celsius for you non-normal people. Oh, so we'll get back with you. I'm not gonna do any filming of the ride itself. My GoPro, for whatever reason, didn't charge last night, so I don't know if the battery's not in all the way or if I just fucked up plugging it in. It was probably me fucking up plugging it in, but we'll get back with you guys maybe when there's a little bit more light. Take it easy. Well, I'm at the first spot in the morning, meeting up with War Paint Customs, Colin. We're riding down to meet up with some people. It is fucking cold. Holy Christ, it's cold. Yeah. Good old motorcycle meetup point. Denny's, Waffle House, IHOP. Any of those will do. But unfortunately, we're not going inside for breakfast and coffee. We got to get moving this morning. So, first stop in the can. About 25, 30 minutes worth of riding. And I'm already fucking frozen. I can't wait for this damn orange angry ball to come up behind me. Y'all take it easy. What's up, guys? We're at the first meetup. I did not realize it was going to be this many bikes. Oh, look, there's the leader of this Miscreant fucking crew.
It's not me.
Oh, you traded off? It's finally warming up. Probably have to layer down here in a little bit, but been a nice ride so far. Beautiful sun, clear skies. Oh, so I guess I'll see you guys back when we get on the ferry down in Galveston. That'll be interesting. We're gonna get on a boat in January. Helmet here. It's still early too. We're on the boat. It's Colin. Pretty nice little ride down. Beautiful Galveston water. Somewhere between moss and shit. It's awesome. It's been a beautiful ride so far the other day. This weather is fucking gorgeous. So, it's finally starting to warm up. Start layering down here in a little bit. Woo! Yeah, too bad my GoPro fucked up. It's not like Texas highways are pretty to look at. But yeah, get a good back shot here. Smitty's wandering around down there somewhere. He's excited. There's another gold wing on the trip. All right, guys. So we're finally underway. Talking to a guy about his street mob, a little sports street. A lot of Indians on this ride. We're going to an Indian dealership. We're finally underway. We're really cooking it. It's the only time my Harley will move and I don't have to worry about it blowing something. Yeah. So, just giving you guys little updates. Whatever. It's probably the most boring fucking video I ever put out, but fuck it. See if I can't get Smitty and Salty on here at some point.
It's been a good, fucking good ride.
That's been beautiful.
Leaving
What up?
Salty's house, I got 131 miles.
That guy in the background. Oh, all of the beautiful motorcycles. Let's see here. We rode all the way out to Orange, Texas to Columbianus Indian dealership. That's a special fucking name right there. Been a beautiful ride. I think I'm like right at 160, 170 miles so far. Yeah, 180 miles, I think. We still got the ride back. But couldn't be a more gorgeous day. Great turnout for the ride. Got a couple different groups riding along with us. I say us. I'm not a part of this fucking group to start with. I just got invited last minute. Literally last minute. No. All right, man. Let's go in here and see what this place has to offer. What's up, guys? So this is actually the next day, but had a great time yesterday. Sorry I didn't get more footage. I kept forgetting to take my phone out and record. We were having a lot of good fun. Indian dealership was pretty good. Look them up online. If you're in kind of the Orange area, they got a pretty good selection. Prices are a little high. Just look up Indian in Orange, Texas. Like, that's your best bet. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. You saw it in the video. Calamanus, something like that. It's named after like the patron saint of motorcycles. I didn't even know there was a such thing. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Fun with Salty and Sprinkles, Smitty, Warpaint Customs, and a bunch of other people. Good God. We all got a patch. I don't know where mine is. It's lost into the backpack somewhere. But yeah, sorry the video's not more exciting. Like I said, GoPro wasn't working. I'm sure Salty and Smitty and Warpaint will put out videos about it. You can go there and watch the epic riding down the hundreds of miles of straight road. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And it was the first time I think I've ever been near a Harley that was moving and wasn't afraid of something breaking on the ferry. That was, I think, the only time. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I really appreciate being invited out for the ride. Hopefully get to do a little more often, especially now since the weather's going to start getting better, hopefully. And my bike is now in riding condition again. It's good to put miles back on it. So you'll see a couple videos of me come out where I'm talking about having coronavirus. I caught it, tried to do a couple videos, got them started, had to take a nap. I'll finish those eventually and put them out. I'm just going to edit this one together real fast, so it's not really a lot to edit. Just piece that together and put that together and whatever. But had a lot of fun. Really appreciate being invited out to do it and all that good noise. So got to see the beautiful city of Orange, Texas. Trailer park, meth lab trailer park. Great place. So, you guys take it easy. Keep on trucking. Ride safe.